In this video, I will show you how to remove image background in Canva for completely free. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to canva.com. Just log into your Canva account and now you can click on create a design and you can create a design of your choice. Alternatively, you can choose from built-in design formats. So for the purpose of this video, I will choose YouTube thumbnail with the size as 1280 by 720. You can use any custom format as per your needs. Next, on the left side, you will find an option Apps. Just click on it. Now in the search at the top, just enter background eraser. Hit enter. And this is the app background eraser that we are going to use. Just click on this icon. Now click on choose file and select the image from which you wish to remove the image background. Let's select this image. Now click open. Once the image is loaded, just click on remove background and within seconds, the background from the image will be removed. Just wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, the background from the image is now removed. You can resize the image as per your requirement and you can also align wherever you want. Once done, click on share, then click on download. Now in the file type, select the format as PNG and then click on download. So that is how you can remove image background in Canva for completely free. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.